Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. You're with CS Lakshmi Tota. So in this video, we are going to analyze how market has performed today, and for that, I'm going to take Tradables application as a base because Tradables does market data analysis and gives a beautiful data points based on certain number of analysis, and those data points are actually being respected by the market, and the same thing we are going to see in the video. Also, we are going to discuss like what resistance and support levels that we discussed in our previous video on 24th December, and whether that has been worked out or not, and what will be the for tomorrow's level. And also, since we are at year end, we're going to discuss at what point Nifty can be closed by the year end. And yes, with that, let's get into the video. So this is actually new feature that we have brought into our web application. So insights. So this gives a high level view of the stocks that has a breakout, clear breakout, either it is positive or negative. So this table indicates the stocks that were struggling since last 2 to 3 days, and today there is a pure positive breakout, and here these are the stocks that has a pure negative breakout. So these stocks which are having positive breakout are good potential for the trading, for short term trading, or this is not that a good kind of trading stocks. So this is purely just indication from our analysis. We are not SEBI registered, so we are not advising anything. It's purely for educational purpose. And yes, with that, let's quickly see how the indices are performing today. So actually, if we see Nifty 50, here you'll get a glimpse of what indication our web application is giving. So Nifty 50, it's telling bearish plus, Bank Nifty bearish plus, IT being neutral, and Fin Nifty bearish plus, mid cap being bullish plus, and Reliance is bearish plus. So net we can see all the trends are into the bearish zone, and here you can see high alert. High alert gives an overall view of how is the trend going for these indices. So Nifty 50, Bank Nifty are in red and downtrend. So and Nifty IT is in a neutral, and also you can see just how we can understand indices trend here. You'll also see the sectors trend here, Nifty 500, Nifty 200. So all the sectoral indices are also displaying the trend here. And yes, with that, if we see, so let's see what all the counters have performed today in these indices. So Nifty 50, just 69 points positively contributed by 30 stocks out of 50, and negative contributors are 20 out of 50 with minimal 46 loss. So net they managed Nifty 50 to close very flat with just 22 points positive. So here you can also see the sectoral view, just like how we had a stock level view. So here the sectors, 52 points contributed by 8 sectors out of 15, and 7 out of 15 were into the negative. So automobile, services, telecommunication, and healthcare, so these are the sectors performed well. And here also get monthly view. So month to date, we are also very close to the month end. So here you can see 4 out of 15 performed good, but rest of the sectors were into the negative, and this impact was being carried forward from the 3rd week of the December, because we had a huge crash during that time with the US Fed rates cut. And also you can see here the year to date view. So year to date view for Nifty 50, 11 out of 15 sectors are doing good, and 4 out of 15 were into the negative. So that's how we can see what all stocks have performed for the day, for the month, for the year. So here let's see for a bank. So today bank 6 out of 12 were into the positive, 6 out of 12 counters were into the negative. So there's no much momentum with just 62 points loss. Nifty bank also closed very flat. So we can see month to date also here, and year to date also. So month to date is pure negative because of the 3rd week impact on the markets, and also year to date 6 out of 12, 6 out of 12, but point wise positive. It is 6,473 points are into the positive. So the same way we can also see what all the stocks from the IT has performed today. So 4 out of 10 are into the positive, and 6 out of 10 counters were into the negative. And you can also see month to date how IT is performing. So month to date it is counters wise it is neutral, points wise it is still positive, and year to date IT is performing like superb. So 8 out of 10 stocks were pulling 10,850 positive points. So IT really performed very good for the year. And yes, like this you can also see the stocks in mid cap, Nifty, Next 50, Nifty Plus. So you can go through all this data. So let's quickly discuss Nifty 50 in much detail. So whether I've been telling in the video at the beginning, so we'll see whether market is respecting the data points that we are giving or not. So let's see candlestick view and let's discuss the data points that are being suggested by the application. So if you see Nifty 50 closed at 23,750. So previous close was at 23,727. So the net it opened at the 775 only, and but managed to close at just 750. So with just 22 points. And if we see candlestick view, so majorly today market was into the sideways market, so there's no proper trend, so there's not much movement, and this could be because of the less volatility in the markets considering the holiday season. So since globally there's a holiday season because of the Christmas and New Year, and also there's not much movement from the FIs, so there's not much outflow or inflow being into the Indian markets. So with that we can consider it's a less volatile market, and also there are just 3 days to close the year. So let's see what data points will be the next important for us. So we have stressed in the 24th December video also, any moment if Nifty managed to close about 23,830 at 23.6% of our Fibonacci level, then we can expect Nifty to go about 24,000. So trend can be changed from the red to green. But yesterday 24th December also it didn't happen. Yesterday was Christmas holiday, so today also it didn't happen. So today also market was very struggling. So if you see the candlestick pattern, so although there is a lot of huge bearish pressure, but still managed to be closing at being flat. So if we see the numbers once again, so it is 23,830 being the next potential level for us. So since it's just 3 days to close the year, so we expect Nifty might close around 24,000 flat, if at all. If any day Nifty closed about 23,830, otherwise it will be around 23,800. So yes, and also if we see the candlestick view, we were stressing in our previous videos as well. So whenever market is trading between 45 degrees to minus 45 degrees of a Gann analysis, then we consider this as a sideways market. So this being very risky to the traders, so there's no proper trend. So in these days people tend to lose more amount. So that's how we can predict the movements of the market. So I think we can wind up the video. I hope you find the video helpful. Please go through our website. This is currently in a free trial, so you just need to register and log into the website, so you can have all this data. So please use this data for your trading purpose and share your feedback in our comment section. And yes, if you like this analysis video, please do hit a like button and also share your comments or any of the stock in your portfolio. We will happy to analyze in the same way. Just like how I'm doing indices, we can also go to the equities and analyze. Because of the time constraints, we are ending just with the indices. So yes, with that I think we can wind up the video. Thank you.